Hello children, I am Alka Sharma and I am here to teach you general knowledge of class 3rd.
Students, today we will discuss two topics of our GK book. These topics are on page number 12 and 13. Our first topic is Word of Computers on page number 12, and our second topic is Hot Spots on page number 13. So, let us start our first topic, Word of Computers. Let us start about what is computer. A computer is an electronic machine that can solve different problems, process data, store data, and perform calculations faster and efficiently than humans. So, do you know who has invented computer? Yes, Charles Babbage. He is known as the father of computer. Also, first computer made in India is Siddharth, and the first supercomputer made in India is Param. Students, do you know what is full form of computer? Full form of computer stands for Common Operating Machine, purposely used for technological and educational research. Also, computer use only binary data. Why? Binary data is the only category of data that can be directly understood and executed by a computer. It is numerically represented by a combination of zeros and ones. Our next question is, how many bytes are there in a kilobyte and why? There are 1024 bytes in a kilobyte. The reason for this is because computers are based on the binary system. That means hard drives and memory are measured in powers of 2. Here are some points to remember. Short form of byte is B, kilobyte is KB, megabyte is MB, gigabyte is GB.
Now we will study about parts of computer. Computer system has these major parts: monitor, CPU, mouse, Keyboard. Monitor looks like a television. It displays the work you do on computer. CPU is the brain of computer. Mouse is used to point anything over monitor. And keyboard is used to type on computer. Students, as we need pen or pencil to write on our notebook, similarly, we need keyboard to type anything on computer. Keyboard has various keys, but most common are three kind of keys. First is alphabet, second is number key, and third is special keys. Alphabet keys. The keys which contain alphabets on them are known as the alphabet keys. These alphabet keys are arranged in QWERTY sequence of the keyboard. Second is number keys. Number keys. The keys from 0 to 9 are known as number keys. These keys are used to type numbers on computer. Third is special keys. Keys such as in the space bar, backspace, caps lock, function, delete, enter keys are special keys. Function keys. In the top row of the keyboard, the keys are marked as F1, F2, up to F12. In each key, F stands for function. Enter key. Enter key. By using enter key, you start a new paragraph in MS Word. Control key. In computing, a control key is a modifier key which, when pressed in conjunction with other key, performs a special operation. Similar to the shift key, the control key rarely performs any function when pressed by itself. Example: to cut a selected text using a keyboard, you shall use the command Ctrl+X. Caps lock. To write in capital letters on a computer, you use the caps lock key.
Now, let us learn about minimize button. Children, where is the minimize button? The minimize button is present in the top right corner of the window. When minimized, the program will remain on the taskbar but not visible. Second question is, what is minimize button used for? Minimize button is used to hide a window but keep the program running in the background. Now we will learn about operating system. A set of programs which controls computer working is called an operating system. What are the uses of an operating system? An operating system is the most important software that runs on a computer. It manages the computer's memory and processes, as well as all of its software and hardware. It also allows you to communicate with the computer without knowing how to speak the computer's language. Without an operating system, a computer is useless.
Our next topic is Internet. The Internet is a global network of billions of computers and other electronic devices. With the Internet, it's possible to access almost any information, communicate with anyone else in the world, and do much more. You can do all of this by connecting a computer to the Internet, which is also called going online. Rules for Internet etiquette. Kids need to learn what they should and shouldn't post online so it doesn't haunt them in real life. Kids know that their internet life will follow them in real life, and there are certain do's and don'ts to follow. So, here are some netiquette suggestions. When a website has a list of rules, obey those rules. The rules are in place for a reason. Spell check everything you write. Do not use all caps. This indicates shouting. Honesty is the best policy, both in real life and online. Don't send texts or emails late at night, especially if it's not an emergency. Only shop on sites that are secure. The golden rule applies online too if you wouldn't want it done to you. Don't do it to someone else. Always reread everything before posting. Avoid discussing personal topics when others can hear you. Kids email provides safe email accounts for kids. Kids can only internet with people who the parents have approved to be in the child's contact list. Parents also have oversight of all messages plus additional parental control and safety features. Student, what is netiquette? The rules you should follow when using the internet are called netiquette. Netiquette stands for Internet Etiquette. Here are some important information. First, by using the minimize button, you can shrink the window of the taskbar. Second, to erase anything typed on the right side of the cursor, you use the delete key. Third, horizontal page orientation is known as landscape. Students, hope you have understood various important points related to computer. Now we will start our second topic. Our second topic is hot spots. First is Burj Khalifa. The Burj Khalifa is the tallest artificial structure in the world. It is in Dubai. Its height is 828 meters tall. The tip of the sphere of the Burj Khalifa can be seen from up to 95 kilometers away. Construction began in January 2004. 6 years later, the Burj Khalifa finally opened in January 2010. Second is Mount Rushmore. It is the huge stone structures of the faces of US presidents. It is carved in the Black Hills region of South Dakota, USA. Carving of Mount Rushmore started on October 4, 1927 and finished 14 years later on October 31st, 1941. The whole project was very costly. Third is London Eye. The London Eye can carry 800 people each rotation. You can see up to 40 kilometers in all directions. The London Eye is the huge wheel which gives tourists a bird's eye view of London. Madame Tussauds, founded by Marie Tussauds. It is in London, United Kingdom, with its branches at several locations around the globe. It has over 300 wax figures. It is a wax museum in London. It has wax structures of famous personalities like Narendra Modi, Sachin Tendulkar, Madonna, Amitabh Bachchan, and many more. Stonehenge. It is the huge stone structures in Wiltshire, England. Some of the monuments stone may have traveled from far over 150 miles. It is one of the oldest structure. Next is Petronas Towers. These twin towers are a landmark of Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. The towers have a total of 32,000 windows. The towers have total 110 floors. Students, let us do a quick recap on our second topic, hot spot. So, we have learned about 6 famous structures of the world. These are Burj Khalifa, London Eye, Petronas Towers, Stonehenge, Mount Rushmore, and Madame Tussauds. Now, I am giving you some worksheets based on our above topics. Our first worksheet is related to the topic World of Computers. That is on page number 12. Our first question is answer these questions. Children, you have to give answers of these questions. First question is, what is the full form of computer? Second question is, who is called the father of computer? Third, where is minimize button located on the screen? Fourth, what is netiquette? Second question is, write the short form of first byte, second kilobyte, third megabyte, fourth gigabyte. Third question is fill in the blanks. First, a program which controls computer working is called an dash. Second, 1 kilobyte is equal to dash bytes. Third, horizontal page orientation is known as dash. Fourth, in the top row of the keyboard, the keys are marked as F1, F2 up to F12. In each key, F stands for dash. Fourth is what command is used? First, to start a new paragraph. Second, to cut a selected text. Third, to write in capital letters. Fourth, to erase anything typed on the right side of the cursor.
Now, our second worksheet is related to the topic hot spots, present on page number 13. First question is, read the following clue and give answer. First, it is the tallest artificial structure in the world. It is in Dubai. Second, Hughes Wheel, which gives tourists a bird's eye view of London. Third, Hughes stone structures in Wiltshire, England. Fourth, these twin towers are landmark of Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Second question is match the following. In A column, Stonehenge, Burj Khalifa, Petronas Towers, London Eye and Mount Rushmore is given, and in B column, Dubai, London, South Dakota, USA, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, Wiltshire, England is given. You have to match correct answer of the given column. Students, you will find answer of all the above questions in this video itself. So, please watch the video carefully. I am providing you answer sheet at the end of this video. Please check your answers and learn them carefully. Thank you.